We're here at Watersound Origins Main Street, where there's always a place to relax or grab a bite to eat.
That's right. Today, Britt, we have a luxurious home that's just around the corner, and you can golf cart here and have fun. Let's go check it out. This luxurious 4-bed, 4-bath home is as beautiful on the outside
as it is on the inside. If you're looking for a luxury kitchen with all the right finishes, you've come to the right place. You are going to love the design flow of this open concept. The kitchen into the living room, decorated beautifully, and no detail was missed.
This primary suite exudes the luxury you would expect here in Watersound Origins. From high ceilings to luxurious wallpaper and tile, the finishes are on point. The split bedroom floor plan offers privacy from each other. You also have a Jack and Jill leading to another bedroom, or it could be an office.
The floor to ceiling screen windows made this outdoor space perfect.
For more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you of all the beautiful details.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Don't miss out on any future deals like this one.